How to hide photos on Facebook. First, open Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom. You'll be able to access your profile. You can see the options like all, reels, photos. Tap on the option photos. You can see the photos over here. Tap on the photo that you want to hide. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Edit Post Privacy. Tap on the option See All. Now tap on the option Only Me. Tap on the option Save that you can see at bottom. Wait for a while. Refresh your profile. Now that photo's privacy will be edited. You can see the lock icon right over here. Now it will be hidden from other people. If you want to hide all photos, follow the same process for all other photos. Like this, you'll be able to hide photos on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.